Hello friends, my name is Shazan Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical Shares. Today I'm going to show you how to download Windows 10 on any PC or laptop. First you need to have a proper internet connection, like I've connected to my laptop. So first you need to open the Google Chrome and type Media Creation Tool. Just open the web page of Microsoft, download Windows 10 disk image or ISO file, scroll down and download the tool. Open the downloaded file. As you can see, a page has been opened with Windows 10 setup. So just accept all the terms and conditions. Setup shows upgrade this PC. So the first option says that if you want to upgrade your particular PC without saving the Windows 10 installation files, you can upgrade this PC. If you want to save the files of the installation and use in the future again without downloading the Windows 10, you can go with the second option. So I'll go with the second option to save the Windows 10 files in my PC so I can use in the future for other PCs. Click on next. As you can see, the setup shows you the default, so just uncheck the recommended option for this PC. So I've kept the language as a default English United States, and addition is the Windows 10, which is the professional. And you need to check the architecture of your PC, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. So my PC is the 64-bit. If you want to download the both, you can go for the both option, or if you want to download the particular bit, you can go with the particular bit. So I'll click on the 64-bit. So to check the architecture, just right click on your PC and click on properties. You can see the properties shows here system type 64-bit. So I'll go with the 64-bit processor. If it shows 32-bit, you can click on 32-bit. Or if you are not able to find the bit, you can click on both. So you can use this setup in future with other PCs if they are 32-bit or 64-bit or either both. So I'll click on 64-bit and click on next. So there's a USB flash drive. So if you want to flash other PCs by using the USB, you can click on the USB flash drive or save the files in this hard disk. So I'll save all the files in this hard disk so I can use these files for other PCs in future. So click on next. Select the path where you want to save the file. So I'll just save the file on local disk E or D. So I'll just click save and you are done. So the setup starts downloading your Windows 10 files on your particular path which you have saved. After download, now open the path where you have saved the Windows 10. You can see Windows 10 64-bit has been saved here. So you can't simply open this Windows 10. You need another software or tool called 7-zip. So just open your Google Chrome. Type 7-zip. Just open this 7-zip web page. So download the 7-zip 64-bit as my PC is 64-bit. So I'll download the 64-bit file. After downloading, install the 7-zip. Double click on the file and install. So restart your PC. So open the Windows 10 downloaded file and just right click Windows 10 setup file, and you can see 7-zip. Just swipe the 7-zip and click on extract to Windows 10 64-bit. So this will extract the Windows 10 64-bit file. You can see extraction is completed. Just close this extraction and open the Windows 10 64-bit and double click the setup and install the Windows 10 on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for next videos. Thank you.